Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be looking at 50-cent coins again, and it's 60 euros of 50-cent coins, all from rolls from Germany. And just to point out one of the things from the hunt already, we are looking for rare 50-cent coins, but also just to tell you right from the start, there is a difference in the two kinds of maps. So there is a called second map and a first map. This is the second map, this is the first map. And on the first map, Europe looks like scattered islands, and the second map is like a full continent to be visible. Ideally, we are looking for some microstate coins, like Monaco, San Marino and stuff. But let's see what we can find. I will make piles per country today. Let's start with the roll number 1. So there are 20 rolls at 20 euros in each roll. And that's, as you see, lots of coins, because many more than the short rolls for the 2 euro coins. But let's see what we can find. So this is Italy, and as we will make piles by country, we will find out what we actually found this time. Except the German ones, so Germany I will put in the bucket. So this is 2002, but Germany from 2002 to 2004 I will put in the bucket. 2002 Germany. First map Germany 2002. There it is. Germany 2002. That's for the bucket. Then Austria, and that is first map. But we'll make a pile for Austria. Then Germany 2002. Germany 2002. 2002. And this is Spain 1999. Germany 2002. France 1999. Germany 2002. The Netherlands 1999. Italy 2002. Germany 2002. Germany 2002. 2002. 2002. 2002. 2002. Well, our piles will not get that much bigger. So 2002. 2002. France 2000. 2002. 2002. 2002. 2002. Italy 2002. France 2000. Then Germany 2002. The Netherlands 2001. That's 2002. 2002. 2002. Italy 2002. This is Spain 2000. Slovakia 2009. 2002. And Italy 2003. So not many countries, lots of 2002s from Germany, but we will see what's in roll number 2. It's a mess. So, lots of loose coins. But it is 2003. I will just put it aside, just because it's not the boring 2002. Then we have Italy 2002. Germany 2000. Oh, 2004. Oh, let's see. This is Austria. Then Germany 2002. This is Greece 2002. 2002 Germany. Italy 2002. Germany 2002. 2002. 2002. 2004. And I think this German coins get special from 2005. So let's see if there is anything. Another 2004. Italy 2002. And here we go, 2002 Ireland. So me personally, I'm also looking for the Irish coin, anything for the second map, because I don't have that type from Ireland second map. Then the Netherlands, and this is 1999. 2002. Italy 2002. Austria. Netherlands 1999. Italy. Germany 2002. And this is Latvia. Italy 2002. Spain 2006. The Netherlands 1999. 2002. 2004. 2002. 2002. Oh, and here we have a Belgium one with King Phillipe. First one from this hunt. 2002 Germany. 2002 Portugal. And the year is really small on Portugal. We check that. Shiny one, first map, Germany 2004. There we have Germany 2002, 2002, 2004. And Spain 2000, what is it, 16, 10, definitely second map. We will put aside. And last roll. That's a clean roll. Belgium 1999. Spain 1999. 2004 Germany. And one of the dropped ones is 2002. Belgium 2012. We have two more on the floor, which are Germany 2003 and Ireland 2002. So let's continue with the few last coins. Then we have 2000 from Spain, 2002 Italy. Oh, Luxembourg, that's a good one. And that is 2015, 13, 15. I will definitely put aside, and that is definitely second map. Then we have Italy 2002. And we have Germany 2003, 2002, 2004, 2003, 2002, 2002, 2002, Spain, 2002, another Belgium one, Luxembourg again, 2002, Germany 2002, oh, the Netherlands, and that is Willem Alexander. This is, at least in my eyes, a rare coin, second map, 2014. It's the only year, I hope it's 2014, it's the only year which got minted for circulation. And it's 5 million mintage. So this I consider actually low mintage. If the type, as this type exists only 5 million times, 5 million is, for the type, that's pretty rare and tough. That's definitely a keeper. 2002, 2002, Italy 2002, Germany 2004, Spain, Germany 2002, 2002, 2002 Italy, then we have 2002 France, 2004 Germany, 2002 Italy, then 2002 Germany, another 2002, Netherlands 1999, 2002 Germany, and 2002 Germany. So really cool find, although I have it, so this is, I think it's a cool find. Let me go through all the coins and I will let you know. We found no coins from any microstates, and we found no new coin for my collection. What we found, you can look up in the notes, how many coins from each country we found. Just want to point out 2 coins, 2 cool finds we had, and these are these 2 coins. It's the coin from the Netherlands and from Luxembourg, and both have a mintage of 5 million only.